Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about 5 proven ways to stop being lazy. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you get notified when we post new videos. Now, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Don't expect perfection. In 2017 a scientific study was conducted looking at college students from 1989 and 2016. Researchers have found an increase in perfectionism over time. It was concluded that young people now face more competitive environment, combined with more unrealistic expectations and more controlling parents than young people from previous generations. This increase in perfectionism directly leads to an increase in anxiety and depression, because it is causing people to be too harsh and critical towards themselves. And all of those things are taking a big psychological toll on a person, limiting their productivity and making them lazier. So, instead of aiming for perfection, be more realistic and set goals that can be achieved and tracked on a daily basis using small steps. This now brings us to the second thing that will help you be more productive. Number 2. Start with a small step. Usually, when you feel lazy, the hardest thing is to just get started. And then when you do get started, you find it very easy and motivating to keep going. To make it easier for you, here's a tip to reduce your resistance towards taking action. Start with a small step to get you going. This can be anything, like going for a short 5-minute jog or writing the first page of that report you've been procrastinating on for the last few days. It's just important to get started, no matter how small that first step is. In fact, most of the time you will do a lot more than that small initial step that you only used to get you started. So, when you are done watching this video, go on and start with the first small step on the thing you've been procrastinating on. You will surely be more motivated and productive once you finish it. Number 3. Find your priorities. In the 21st century it is very easy to find yourself feeling overwhelmed by all the different things you need to do on a daily basis. Your life gets cluttered and you just want to procrastinate by doing nothing and lying on the couch. When this happens you need to start choosing your priorities. You can find what your priorities are by just asking yourself, what would you do if you had only 2 hours of time left for today? For the rest of the things on your daily to-do list, you can eliminate, automate or perhaps even delegate them. This should make your life less cluttered and busy, which will in turn make you feel more motivated and productive to work on the things that you consider to be your priorities. Number 4. Close your escape routes temporarily. Imagine sitting at your desk, being ready to start working hard, but then you receive a notification on your phone. You pick up your phone, check that message and see it's a funny meme sent by your best friend. After that, you respond to that message and decide to browse on social media for a bit, before you start working. After half an hour has passed, you are still scrolling through social media. I'm sure this has happened to most of us, at least once. This happens because we usually have things that we use to procrastinate. For most of the people those things are social media, TV, or video games. Solution to this problem is actually very simple. Next time when you are getting ready to work, just put your distraction away. Put your phone in a silent mode or even leave it in the other room if you can. If your problem is TV, just unplug it, so you can't watch it. For the video game's escape, try putting your controller away while you are working. This will help you deal with your procrastination significantly. Before we get into number 5, please like and share this video if you find it valuable. Number 5. Let the motivation and energy of others influence you. Although you may not be fully aware of it, but whatever we let into our minds will surely influence us in one way or another. So, if your friends that you hang out the most with are lazy people, then it's easy for you to simply adapt to that mood and just go with the flow of the social group. On the other hand, if you spend more time with driven and motivated people, whether in real life or via books, internet, YouTube videos or podcasts, then those people will be the ones to start influencing your thoughts and your mood. Basically, try to surround yourself with motivated and disciplined people who have good work ethic. This will definitely boost your productivity and minimize your laziness and procrastination. What do you think about our list? Do you agree and is there anything you'd like to add? Let us know in the comments below. Please like and share this video if it helped you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.